How to change region on Spotify. Before we proceed, we want to remind you that it is not possible if you have a premium account, unless you are physically present in that region, and you cannot change it from your app. So you need to open a browser, search for Spotify account, and then log into your Spotify account. Now after that, go to Edit Profile. Now if you scroll down, you will see your current region is grayed out and selected in here to change it. Make sure to connect your device with a trusted VPN and select the region that are being used on your Spotify. After that, either refresh that page on your browser or re-enter it. If you scroll down, you will find your selected region in here. All you have to do is just tap on, say, Profile, and then you're good to go. Thanks for watching.